Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how can you bold your text on Brainly. This video was a user requested me for making this video, so I am making it. Now see, the first code we are going to discuss is /textbf. This code can only be used to bold sentences or words and not mathematical equations. Now see, between the curly braces you have to type your word or sentence. And remember, never type too long sentences or too many words in one code, as it becomes illegible and unreadable for anyone to read it. Now suppose I am writing a sentence. Okay, so this is the sentence, and now see, I will click on answer, and it will come in the answer will come in rendered form. Let me show you. See, now you can see Ram goes to school. It is came in rendered form. Unlike this one right over here, it has not come in bold, but you can see the sentence is in bold. Now let us talk about other code. The next code is /bold. This code can be used for bolding the sentences as well as for mathematical equations. Now let me show you. Here too I will take the example of a sentence. See, here's a change is made that like see, in the previous code you did not need to type a separate code for getting one space, but in this you have to. For getting one space you have to type this / and colon. This provides one space between two words or mathematical equations. Now see, here's one mathematical equation. I'm just copy pasting it so that I can show you that it can bold even the mathematical equations. Again, for getting a space I am using / and colon, and now I am bolding it. Sorry, now I am typing it here so that it can be bolded. Sorry. See, now it's pasted, and now I will see the rendered form. See, you can see that everything has come in rendered form, a sentence, and see the mathematical equation as well. Now see, I am showing you what happens when I write the mathematical equation in the previous code. See what happens. See, it does not get bolded. It is just normally, it's written normally. So now we will have just a short recall that the previous code, that is textbf, is used for bolding only sentences and not mathematical equations. On the other hand, /bold is used to bold mathematical equations as well as sentences, but it requires manual spacing using a / and colon for one space. Thank you.